In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do MCP Smartlead. By the end, you'll have a new email campaign set up, your leads imported, and the key campaign sections reviewed so everything is ready to run smoothly. First, head over to the Smartlead dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Email Campaigns. This is your home base for creating and managing outreach. In the Email Campaigns area, click Create Campaign. You'll be prompted to name your campaign. Choose a clear descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later, something that reflects the audience or offer. When you're happy with the name, click Continue to create the campaign shell. Next, it's time to add your leads. Click Add Leads, then either click to browse your computer or drag and drop your file right into the uploader. Select your file and click Open, then Continue. A quick tip here, use a clean CSV with a single header row. Make sure each contact has one email per row and avoid duplicates. If your list includes extra fields like company or title, keep the headers tidy so Smartlead can map them easily. Also, only import contacts you have permission to email. When the file is recognized, click Import Leads. Smartlead will process the upload and confirm when it's complete. Click Done to wrap up this step and return to your campaign. With your list in place, move through the core tabs to confirm settings. Click Sequence to view the flow your contacts will follow once the campaign starts. This area helps you understand the order of emails and timing at a glance. Then click Email Accounts to see which sending inboxes are assigned to this campaign. It's important that the correct accounts are visible here so delivery stays consistent. Next, go to Subsequences. This is where branching or follow-up paths can live, allowing your campaign to handle different outcomes in a structured way. Finally, open Settings. Here you'll find the essential controls that govern how the campaign behaves. Think sending windows, basic rules, and safeguards that keep deliverability healthy. After reviewing everything, click Save Changes. This ensures your campaign name, leads, and configuration are all locked in and ready. That's it. You've created a campaign, imported your leads, reviewed sequence, email accounts, subsequences, and settings, and saved your setup. If you follow these steps each time, you'll build reliable, repeatable campaigns that are easy to manage and scale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.